Okay.
Number 1. Put the long nails through the 4 pilot holes in the motor housing. Add glue to the
Put
back.
nails. Wait, the nails.
So I guess.
Where's our hammer?
Wait.
We
Where's
don't
our
need a hammer.
Should we have a hammer?
Yeah, there's hammers right there.
Yeah.
Oh, you only have 2 though.
Make sure you share.
It's easier because I have the big hammer. Yay.
I wish I could feel like.
You don't do that. You have to like. Oh, my arm hurts.
Ow. Yeah, I was just shaking my arm. It's like literally, like, I'm so close, I can feel it. Ooh! Nail flew out.
Is it okay if it's not really even? Okay. That's
It
fine.
flew out. Do you get it?
No. Popeye's Nerf it. That's it.
I go to Woodhill. Cause like,
Why did you just do this? I don't want to go to Woodhouse.
cause like he's trying to grasp onto the land.
Oh! Oh! Heaven! Heaven!
And then he becomes Wood Satan. Satan. And then the
Boom! Boom! The fourth. Put glue on the flat end of the exhaust port. Insert into the hole in the back of the engine cover. This is kind of confusing.
So this should like
We need glue.
you only live once.
What's the instruction again?
YOLO.
YOLO means you only live once.
I know. Oh wait, where is it?
The pin?
Can you read the
Where
instruction
is-
again, please? What's
Wait.
number 5?
Use a small dot of glue in the tail rotor pin to attach the tail rotor. I don't have blade assembly on the pin and press into the hole. Spin the blades to make it sure there isn't any glue on them.
It said put a dab of glue.
Yeah.
So like we need to make a
Dab!
we needed to so you said we need to make a dab of glue. So we need to make a shape of a piece of glue doing the dab.
No.
Okay, just kidding guys, that's a joke.
Yeah.
That's just a joke. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We don't actually have to do that. It's just
Yeah.
a joke.
That's gonna be too hard. Okay, my washer.
How do you guys put that in?
Put a small dab of glue.
Jax, how did you get yours stuck in there?
Is that the finished product?
Your thing.
Oh, I
This
just put it in there hard.
Without your mic.
Alright.
Yeah, maybe. It's super easy.
Now it's just to sand it.
No, we don't just need to sand it.
And then paint it. You have to sand
Okay.
it to paint it.
Put a small dab of glue in the hole for the rotor. Oh wait! We need another thing. Oh wait, I know what
We
to
need
do
hot
here.
glue. We totally need hot glue.
No, we don't.
Well, I want hot glue. I don't want all my pieces falling. Ciao.